What's up? My hair is straight and I didn't record it because I already have a how I straighten my hair video that I did like 5 months ago, so I was like, you guys don't need an update. So if you guys want to see that, check this right up here. If you guys are wondering who is in the background talking, I totally forgot. I'm so used to listening to her that I forgot to turn it down. But we got Rona looking all sexy. She's so cute. This chat is wild. Okay guys, so I want to come in and do kind of an updated, kind of get ready with me everyday makeup look. Alright, so it's been a year since I did my everyday makeup routine and a few things have changed. The first thing that hasn't changed is my eyebrows. So I did that first. I used the same thing for my eyebrows, which is this NYX micro brow pencil. So the first thing we do after my brows is I like to prime. And lately I've been loving this VDL Lumi Layer primer. So I really like how it makes my skin look super glowy. So normally I'm into super hydrating kind of primers because I got really dry skin. And I normally use a primer from NYX, but this one has really been great. I love VDL. I've just been really into a lot of Korean skincare and makeup a lot lately. So like, look at my skin already. Look at it glow. So I really love how hydrating this is. I'm maybe gonna get on my lids gently. Like, look how great my skin looks after applying this. Looks really, really nice and shiny. Just get my hair out of the way. Like, come on, Shernette. I'm not used to my hair freely moving everywhere. I'm used to my curls just like sticking in one spot when I stick it back there. Okay, so next I go in with my bronzer. Because this is an everyday look, I don't wear foundation every day or really on the daily. I only wear foundation when I'm like, I got lots of time to get ready and I'm going somewhere specific. So when I'm not, I kind of just add bronzer and I like lightly contour my face. I'm not a makeup artist, don't drag me. This is just what I do. I feel like every makeup video I'm telling you guys not to drag me. Just please don't. So yeah, I just go ahead with the bronzer here. Kind of make my skin look a little more colored and not so pale with the winter time. Especially right now with the winter time, everything's just super dry. There hasn't been much sun, let alone we've been in this pandemic for over a year now. All right, so I think that's all I'm gonna do right now. I feel like I gotta do my makeup different because my hair's straight. Okay, so next I kind of want to bring some color to my cheek. So I'm gonna go in with this VDL Creamy Stick Jelly, something that I love, and as soon as it's finished, there's a lot in there, but as soon as it's done, I'm definitely getting another one. If you guys don't really wear much makeup or are into skincare, the only reason I say that is because this is just great because you can just dab it on your skin and blend it with your hand, and it kind of like melts into your face and gives you this natural blush kind of look. And then if you want more blush, you just add more. See how it just melted? Okay, so we have primer, we have brows, we have blush, we have lip chat. Okay, so sometimes I'll put a little bit of eyeshadow on, and it's my eyeshadow routine, especially on an everyday makeup look. It's just so basic. Like, let me show you. I'll put some on for the sake of this. So I grab a basic palette, and I don't know. Normally I like opt out for safe colors like this one if I'm feeling a little peachy. Normally I pick like some pretty basic colors. And I think I'm gonna go with like this one, and I just like, with the most basic skills ever, I just do this. Just brush it over my lids just to add some color. It's weird because my lids are already naturally kind of like colored. But yeah, it's normally some like basicness like this that I'm doing. Kind of just blend in my face and whatever. I'm also gonna go in with this brown today because I'm feeling a little spicy. And I'm just gonna go in with my thing here and just in my crease, just gonna add some depth. I really wish I was better at makeup, like Kamea. If you guys don't know Kamea, I'm gonna link her up here. You guys should check her out. I think it's right here. I always get this confused. Sometimes I like to take this glitteriness if I'm feeling fancy, and I'll like put it in my inner corners. Wet. I find when you wet the brush, it goes on nicer, but this is a natural makeup look. So next I like to apply some mascara. This one's Better Than Sex from Too Faced. You honestly, Ever since Better Than Sex from Too Faced launched, it's been my favorite mascara. It's been my favorite high-end mascara. This one ranges from like $35, but because I don't use it often, it lasts me quite a while. And I just love how long, voluminous, and fluffy it makes my lashes look. I don't really have bottom lashes, but I like to pretend like I do and apply some anyway. So, last but not least, normally I rock some lip gloss, but I've also been really liking this Kiehl's Butter Stick Lip Treatment. It has a tint to it. Okay, and that's it. This is my everyday makeup look. I just love how it adds a little bit of tint. It seems like a little bit natural of a lip color. Super love that. Everything looks really, really light and natural. That's pretty much how I like it. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. You figure straight hair would be easier for me to deal with, right? Okay guys, that's the end of this fresh face everyday look. If you liked it, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss when I upload. See ya!